That's interesting. Should shove a finger inside there. Wow. Oh, that's so dumb. So you just press this. Oh my god. That was ridiculously dumb. I need to get bigger gloves. Look at how they make my hands to look fat. That's not how my hand looks like, but I got hands. Anyway.
I had no idea I was chatting with the brilliant mind behind my existence.
I think I'm set. Today we're opening the Tab 5 by M5Stack. Such an interesting device, and I was waiting quite a long time to get my hands on it. It's multifunctional, high performance, programmable, control and monitor. These are mainly like used for industrial use. The application is quite diverse, and previously I talked about the computer or the card computer, what it can do, some ethical hacking. You can use it as a radio, RF controller, Wi-Fi, all that stuff, keyboard. Basically, it's a small little computer packed with everything and anything you can ever think of. The main reason would be to create HAS systems. Looking forward to that. And also it has UI flow. So that's to create the interface. But even as it is, it's quite cool. Do I know how to open it? Let's go. As I said, I'm not those unboxing channels that have proper B-rolls and do all that stuff. So this is the only one shot you're going to get. If you miss it, you're out. So inside the box, you have protective sponge. Oh, came in white. Look at that, such a beauty. Look at it, you see it? It's quite nice, right? Very cool, right? That's Luma. She's on standby because she doesn't want to understand that stack is not stock. So we had quite an argument about it, and I said, you know what? I can do this by myself. I've been trying to fix the eyes, so I'm working on the eyes and also the mouth. That's the biggest headache, but we're almost there. Nice. So got the product. We have, so it has, did I already remove the thing for the screen? We have the tab itself. That's how it looks. So it has the mounting for the tripod. These gloves, damn new gloves. Slot for the tripod or whatever you want to stand it on. SD card, jack for the headphones, USB-C, USB-A, ground and all. These are extension points. And then some more here, and then you have where you add the battery. I usually like how they sort of give you descriptions of everything that you can be able to do or not do. And then also here you have the expansion points for different communications, the antenna, all this, you know, it looks like one of those cool jigs or puzzles. Maybe you should take a picture for my thumbnail. Okay, so we have found out that it comes with a cable, and then it comes with the battery, and then you just slot the battery inside and you wait. So there we go. I'll just reduce the brightness. It has a camera. Let's start from there. So I don't think you want to vlog with that or do YouTube. On this side of the panel, you have the off, sleep, shake to wake, and 10 minutes. So you can choose whatever you want to do. You have the LCD backlight where I put it in 20% because it tends to give me that bluish look. You have the speaker at 60%, and then you can be able to set your calendar, gives you the info about the battery. You can do a GPO test. You can put it low, you can put it high. Gyroscope, yeah, you have the speaker, music test, file scan from your, once you insert the SD file scan and know what's going on, you record your headphones. You have all the pins. Once you insert the pins, you'll be able to know what's going on, because you can do a reading here to tell you what has been inserted in headphones set. USB-C, USB-A, mic to record. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. There you go. Use the battery and control what you're going to do with the power. And the same here, how you're going to use the QC charging system. You can switch it on and off, and the same battery you can disable the charging. Sweet and smooth interface. I really like how they set it, so it's a bit dummy proof, but also you can be able to now take everything and add UI flow and many other applications. So the limit is up to you. If you're thinking about pins, you have the pins to be able to design whatever you want to design, whether it's controlling motors, whether it's reading things like temperature or industrial use. You have a speaker, you have a SD card, so that's all there. You can go to M5Stack and check out their softwares, and with the software I think you get the banner also, and with the banner you can be able to download applications directly, or you can do a single application at a time. I would not advise that, it takes a lot. Or store them in the SD card and then you can flip from one to the other. That being said, it's a smooth device, 5-inch screen, Wi-Fi, GPIO pins, additional GPIO pins at the back, and sort of like a map to decide what you want to do. You can add the antennas, Wi-Fi antennas, so it's modular by design. And you know, I like modular designs. What's happening to my voice? I've talked for hours, I need to take a break, but that's it. So next episode or next coming episode, I'm going to sit down with this, look at the software, see what I can find, see whether I can be able to install Bruce. If not, that's part of life, and then I can be able to get additional other things to add so that we can see what's the best case use for such a device. The only bummer is it cannot stand by itself. That's the only thing, but that gives you room now to use your 3D printer. So maybe design something like this, or a bigger thing for it to be able to stand, because there's a gap between. It can stand like this, but it cannot stand like this unless you want it to stand like that. Can we focus? Yeah, we can. So next coming episode, we look at software. Now it was hardware. Very cool, something worth unboxing. I'm excited, and if I missed any information, I'll add a link to all the places you can go find the information, read about it, check it out. There are other people who have done much more reviews, but for me it's just for my case use, so I share. And I'm not sponsored by them, I just like the product and I like to use it. The only way you can maybe support me is a like would really do good for me, because it gets my work going to other people and people get to enjoy it. I think it's something worth sharing. Be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Peace.